Wait, is this like Subway Surfers? And ew, are those fingers? Oh, Railway Surfers. That's totally different. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. What the heck? How does this happen? What? These controls. I'm so confused.
Nah, you just need a good gaming chair.
What the? How do I? Oh my. Oh, hey, this is cool. What? Oh, okay, hold up. Let me just. Okay. This is a Gorilla Tag inspired-esque game. A little bit, not really. And it's also heavily inspired by Subway Surfers. It's basically just Subway Surfers VR with Gorilla Tag controls. Now you can use this footage and put like Family Guy on top of it. So
$30,000 in
you're
credit card
welcome.
debt.
Is this the Here Comes the Sun thing?
Here comes the sun.
Oh, whoa. Ah. Okay, I think I might be getting the hang of it. Okay, hold up. These controls. Oh my. Ah! Oh, so if you bounce like 3 times. What even am I? Am I a blue thing? I'm a beatboxing blueberry. This is kinda, as Jagger quotes,
Well, it's kinda sassy.
I'm gonna never say that again. I wonder if I'll have enough footage for this video. Hi, this is Derpy. I'm editing the video currently. Yes, we have enough footage. 13 minutes. Whoa. I love eating these coins. Ah! Ah! No, I love that! No! No, please! No! It's gone. Ah! Fine. I want to get on top of these like really bad. That's kind of cool. I love eating coins. These fingers are kind of. I love eating coins. Hold up. Oh! Nope. Right, boys, we're speed running this. Nope. I need to talk to the creator of this game. To make controls better. Is there a cop following me? No. No! Please! love eating coins. They're so delicious and scrumptious. Nom nom nom. There we go. Okay. You got this. Dude, I'm so like... I'm really not, actually. Oh my gosh, how come every time I record these videos I need to take a massive shart? Ah! I'm gonna try to get through this. Oh my gosh! Okay. If you didn't know, when I hit 1,000 subs, I'm gonna be making my own Gorilla Tag fan game.
Boo, we get it.
Stop
Stop
begging
begging
for
for subscribers.
Okay, Smaze? Smaze, if you're watching this, which I know you are, you comment on all my videos. By the way, guys, go subscribe to Smaze. He makes some good content, and he's a good guy. He's nice. Go sub to him. Give him. Me and Drafty have a lot of subs. He doesn't have enough. Okay. Anyways, Maze, I want you to torture yourself. Okay, don't take that out of context. I want you to try out this game. See if you can. It may look easy, but it's really not. I actually might be able to make a full-length video about this. Oh yeah, I might put a watermark. Oh my god! I might put a watermark so people don't, like, use this footage. Keep going. I don't think any of this is actually in the Subway Surfers game. Besides those... I don't even... What even are the... You might want to add some invisible walls, mister. I'll put his name up on screen, the developer of this frickin' game. Smaze, you better play this game. You have 48 hours. Smaze, look at me. Look at my little character right there in the eyes. You have 48 hours to make a video on this. And that's a threat. That is a threat, Smaze. Oh my... You got this! You got this! Oh, okay. Oh no, not the walls! No! Please! Oh my gosh, Smaze. Smaze, you don't know the pain. Can you... Okay, developer of the game, can you make it so you can interact with the ground at all? My gosh. Or maybe make the rails a little wider, maybe the hitbox. Okay, finally. Anyways, off topic. School's getting out in like 2 days. Maybe like 1 by the time this video gets, or maybe the school year's over by the time this video gets up. But by June 14th, school will be over, so So just checking all you iPad kids. Okay, all you iPad kids, just check the time, see if your school's out, even though you're probably not even in school yet. Okay, I need... I'm an eagle. You're not an eagle. You're a grown man. I'm an eagle. Calm yourself.
I just want to say boo, so boo.
You got this. Frick! No! Please! That was twice, actually. I will be speaking to your manager, and that's a promise, because my donut has a hole in it. Well, something to talk about. Again, when I hit 1,000. Oh my gosh! No! Please! Oh my gosh, I was jumping in real life. Real life doesn't exist, what I'm talking about. Skibbity slicers! What the heck? Getting the hang of this.
You're liar! Seize him!
Music, by the way. I know you didn't make it because. Oh my. Oh my. Okay, don't rush. Okay, let me take a breather. Actually, let me go take a shot.